live session is all about the beautiful fancy sarees. Chala beautiful collections tonight. We have got some wide range. Explain you all the mannequins. Very beautiful mannequins we have today with beautiful sarees. This is one of the traditional saree with Banarasi border and the brocade designs all over the saree. Pretty fancy designer it is. Magenta pink. And the next one. This is dark navy blue. Hello everyone, for everyone who have joined our live, please do stay on the live and watch all the sarees. Hope you love our collections. This is navy blue with brocade designs and beautiful motifs all around with colorful kalankari border. Such a beautiful color saree. And the next one, hello everyone for the recent joiners, hello. And this is yellow color with kalankari border. You can see how pretty it is. It's a blue color and brown color combination with golden zari. Pretty brocade designs running all over the saree. And yes, this is one of the prettiest color. You can see the saree, how beautiful it is. Very lightweight fancy saree. We can just flaunt it or we can just put the steps as we go, such that our team will assist you. So this is the WhatsApp number for the orders. Please do message on 739-638-2067. Yes, we'll start the live with the pretty collections. And here's the pallu for the saree. Hope you loved it. This is one of the bright color, dark green. We have some color options in this kind of saree. Such a beautiful dark color combination with kalankari designs at the border. And the beautiful floral brocade designs running all over the body. Lovely combination. So this saree will be exactly like this. We have some color options, magenta pink and dark green. This is the pallu. Such a gorgeous one and colorful too. And for this we have got a blouse, such a beautiful blouse, and here's the back neck design as well. So manam blouse kuda chaala chakkaga vachindandi. And this saree is priced at 4,599. These are the best offers price with our three special collection and the beautiful fancy sarees. This is black color, almost everyone's favorite. One of my favorite color too. And this saree has beautiful motifs all around. The golden color motifs and the kalankari design at the border. We have some color options in this kind of saree. You can just message to our team such that they will get back to you. And this is such a lovely and gorgeous pallu which is very colorful with kalankari designs. And we have a thread finish at the end and the brocade designs. So very beautiful saree. So this saree will be exactly like this. So you can see the model and this is the combination. And this saree is priced at 4,599. For orders, you need to take the screenshot of your favorite saree and message to our team. This is one more beautiful color, metallic sea green. Such a lovely color and rare color too. And the body of the saree is full of golden color floral designs. And kalankari border at the ends running on either side, same borders only. This is the pallu, such a beautiful and gorgeous pallu. So you can see the color combination. This is with dark orange and multicolor options. And I'll show you the blouse. So the blouse will be exactly like this only, back neck design only. So this is how the blouse looks. Very pretty and elegant with golden color designs. And here's the blouse. And the price is 4,599. Such a lovely sarees. We can pair it up with beautiful jewelry too. Some statement jewelry. This is light pink color, peach pink, with floral designs running all over the body and a laced border, which is with thread work, thread embroidery lace border and floral design. This is the pallu, very beautiful and elegant. And for this we have got a blouse. plain blouse with a laced border. You can see the texture too, it's very different from the sari. And this is how we can pair it up. We can go with the short sleeves. And this sari is priced at. So for the price details, please do comment down. This is one more beautiful color, same as the previous one, but with different color combinations. This is cream color sari. For orders, please do take the screenshot. Such a lovely sari, very beautiful and with a floral design. You can see the color combination. This is a pastel one with a laced border at the ends running up both the sides. Such a beautiful color combination, and the sari is very lightweight and you can see the material. So, and this is the pallu. We can flaunt it like this, manam single ga kodila vesukochu, which makes it look more elegant. And the blouse is with a different texture and a laced border. So this is how we can pair it up. Such a beautiful combination. And this sari is priced at 3,099. So we'll see one more color. This is one more beautiful color, sea green. It's a pastel color combination. Such a beautiful one, the same as the previous two saris, but with different color and a laced border. This is the pallu. Such a beautiful contrast. And for this we have got a running blouse with a different texture and a laced border. So this is how the border looks. We can pair it up like this, or we can go with some sleeveless. So this saree is priced at 3,099. We'll see one more beautiful color. This is such a lovely color, Andy, olive green. This is one of the rare color combination, and the saree is full of floral motifs, which is rose color flowers, and the borders running on either sides with light golden color weave. This is the pallu, very beautiful and elegant, and here's the running blouse with beautiful florals on it. So we can pair it up like this, and this saree is priced at 2,999. So these are the special collections of Vidati at the best offers price, the pretty fancy saree collection. You can also observe that there are different varieties of sarees today in this live session. This is one more color, chocolate brown, with florals on it, which is a digital print. This is the pallu, simple and elegant. And for this we have got the blouse, the same running blouse with the florals. This is the contrast and very beautiful. And for this we have got this priced at 2,999. Very lovely sarees only. For orders you need to take the screenshot of the favorite saree and you can message to our team. They will assist you. This is also light chocolate brown with different texture and design. You can see the color combination, very beautiful. And two thin borders running on either side. Such a gorgeous one. And this is the pallu. Pallu is also beautiful with light color combination. And this is the blouse. So blouse is also very pretty. We can even try the contrast colors as well if you want. And this saree is priced at 3,299. So the prices are at the affordable cost. You can just try out your favorite sarees, and you can even visit our store, which is Vidati Shopping Mall, Pulvi Village, Vijayawada. We have some wide range of collections in sarees. This is one more beautiful color. This is olive green, it will be dark shade, and the saree texture is very pretty with florals running all over, which is a digital print, and two borders running on either sides. Such a lovely saree and color combination too. Non single ga kudila flaunt chesukochu. And for this we have got the same running blouse, and this will be the combination. We can team up with contrast blouses as well. This is the model, and this saree is priced at 3,290. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our team, such that it will be helpful for us and easy to assist you. And this is grape wine color with digital floral prints all over. Such a lovely saree and lightweight. You can see the color combination too. It suits for almost all the age groups. And this is the pallu. Pallu is also having some floral designs, beautiful and elegant. And here's the blouse. Such a beautiful combination blouse. This is the model. And this saree is priced at 2,999. For orders, you need to take the screenshot, and this is one more lovely color, golden yellow. So we have some color options in this kind of saree. So just take a screenshot and message to our team. They will show you a few more colors in this model. This is one more elegant with pretty floral designs on it, assorted, and a beautiful bean. Two thin borders running on either side, and this is the pallu. Pallu is also very beautiful. You can see the bigger designs on it. The detailing is very clear, and the same running blouse for it. So this is how we can team up, or even we can try out some contrast blouses as well. And this is priced at 3,299. And the next one, such a gorgeous one with floral jal. It's fully designed and the colorful patches. This is with the thread work, thread embroidery work running all over, and a laced border at the bottom with kundan work. Such a lovely net saree only, light soft net material, very gorgeous and very trendy. This is the pallu, and for this we have got the blouse, such a gorgeous blouse. This is how the blouse looks, and we have got the hand work as well. We can go with sleeves, half sleeves, and this saree is priced at 4,999. So it's totally worth it, only. The work is very rich and grand, very beautiful. And that's all for today. You can take the screenshot of your favorite saree once we save the live. It will be easy for us to assist you, and you can also have a look over the beautiful mannequins again. Hope you love the saree collections today, and we with Ashley always aim to put up a smile on your face with our beautiful designers. Hope you loved our live session. And for orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our team. So the number is 796382067, and you can also note down the shipping charges as well, as we are shipping these sarees worldwide. And again, we'll be back tomorrow in Vidasvi Patuchera FB page at 6:30 to 7. You can catch us over there tomorrow. And okay, bye bye, and we'll be back tomorrow again.